Welcome guys to a brand new video. Hold on one second. Okay. Welcome guys to a brand new video. Your boy, D Money, back at it again. With a brand new video. I said I would be doing a video. So Monday I got the USB miner, and I set it up, and the video was a little bit too long than I expected, but I finally got it working. As you can hear, there's a fan in the background. That's the fan to cool down my miner, and it's working perfectly. I'm earning. Wait, it's not on right now because I'm running it at 400. Hold on, just kidding. See, it's been accepted. Stuff has been accepted. I'm running it at 400. I think I gotta change the voltage because it's so weird. Yeah, the optimal place you should put it as 300, but I'm putting it as 400. I think I need to change. I think I need to change the voltage. I'm not sure. I'm still researching it, and I also might buy another one for double. So stay tuned for that. I'm trying to show you it. Oh wait, the white light turned on. Hold on. No, not yet. It's not going to turn on yet. Yeah, I think I should turn. Yeah, it's going to do that again. I think it's the voltage that's doing it. I'm not really sure. Oh, I gotta look into it though. Oh, it's gonna do it one more time. Come on. Yeah, I think it's the voltage. Dang it. Oh, there we go. It's blinking now. And once it blinks, the white light blinks, that means it's working. Obviously, it takes a while to... There. Accepted. There's my hash rate right there. 84, 82. Average, 5 seconds. That's my current hash rate right there. That's pretty good for mining Bitcoin. I'm using slush pool, by the way. So, accepted. There's like a couple seconds in between. Accepted. A couple more seconds. I mean, it's solving it with very easy difficulty, I guess. Difficulty 927 out of 512, so it's pretty good. 992 gigahash right now. 85, went down to 85. Yeah, I think it's the voltage. I gotta find the I think I know where the voltage. You turn the screw and it brings up the voltage just a little bit. Yeah, so it is a very good miner. I recommend buying it. It is worth your while, and buy two because more the merrier. Alright guys, so today's video, sorry I got sidetracked, I was trying to show you the miner. Today's video is the Sprint MagicBox that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to post it because on my channel because I want to show some friends, and I want to show the new one because I haven't seen a video on it on YouTube. So we should get straight into the video. And I've also had problems with my old one. So mine's a Gen 2. Oh, it just stopped blinking. Yeah, I think I need to... Give me 1 second. Yeah, it stopped it. Okay. I need to put it to 300. How about 350? Does that work? Oh, stupid. Just give me 1 second. Alright, there we go, all fixed. Yeah, I guess it works at 350. Cool, I can do 350, I'm happy with that. Why not, right? Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's blinking. Wow, it's blinking really fast. Holy crap. I'm gonna guess that it's working, so. Yep, it's requesting work. It restarted the work. Yeah, blah blah. Alright. I'm back. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing the MagicBox Gen 3, hopefully. They said it was out, they shipped it to me. It's supposed to come Wednesday, like I said, the video is supposed to come Wednesday, and then it came early, so it's 12 pounds, which is a whopping. How do you... Yeah, it's blinking, it means it's working. Alright, cool. I mean, it came at 3 o'clock. You know what? Crap, just fucking use your hands, honestly. And my dog is scared of the noises, so she runs under my bed. That's classic. Alright. Make sure it's working. Yep. Wow, accepted already. That's quick. It's a little bit less. It's about 66. Almost not even 80. Alright, it's not bad. Okay. You can still see. Okay, I turn it back on. Wow, so yeah, get greeted. Great. Hello there. This is confidentiality. Nope, they sent me the Gen 2. I freaking... Why, Sprint? Why? You said you had the Gen 3, you dum-dums. Why do you people lie? Oh, hold on, it stopped. Let's do that again. Okay. I don't know. We will see. I mean, it might not be... It might just be labeled as a Gen 2, but it's actually a Gen 3. That thing is huge. Look at it. It's freaking huge. And it's heavy. It's 12 pounds, it says on the package. Let me start back up again. Alright, I'm done with it. I'll fix it later. I'm still in testing phase, guys, so bear with me. I don't think this is the one I wanted. One I ordered, at least. Unless this is a return kit. Because he said I had to return the other one. So we will find out. After I freaking open this. There we go. So you get a power cord, which I already visually have. Oh, it's started back up again. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So you get a power cord, and I'm gonna... This is legitly the same one I freaking have. Alright. Same portable charger, I already have one. Freaking people. I give up. I'm gonna have to call them back. Because this is literally the same one. That frustrates me. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end this video because I have to call calls, right? Alright, guys. I don't want to be on the phone while you're there. Alright, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like this video. I'll probably do an unboxing if anything happens. As always, guys, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And do not forget to keep on gaming. Peace.